done so far. I think I'm going to leave these out because they're kind of wintry. I mean, kind of Christmas too, though. I don't know. Anyway, they go up in this cabinet over here, so I don't need to put them up in the attic or anything like that. So I'm keeping my hot cocoa bar open because it's been pretty dang cold. So if the kids come over, they can have that. Oh, I'm just going to put these candy canes away. All right, I'm going to do that. So I have to do something with this bin. This needs to be put away with the Christmas stuff. This is kind of like a junk bin. And then look what happened to my junk drawer too. So yeah, that needs cleaned up. And yeah, so I'm going to have to figure out something else for there. I do have another one of these boxes, but it looks like spring, so it's not going to work there. I'll have to think of something else to put there for catch-all stuff so that the counter stays clear. So I don't want to clutter up everything, but I did put some books there. I don't know if I like that or not. I think I'm going to keep that pillow out. That's stuff that that I bought at Barnes & Noble's I was going to do a haul with. And I still need to decorate the three-tiered tray here. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in that for now, but I'm kind of liking simple. So over here I had way more stuff before Christmas. I had stuff over a vignette here, and vignette there, and I think I just like that. Plus it gives us place to put our cups on if we want to put our cup. I usually put my cup when I'm sitting on the couch. And I don't know if this is staying here because this trunk usually goes over there. I can't figure out how I want to display this trunk. I don't know, maybe I'll open it up and put some stuff in it. But I had a hard time opening it before. I don't know. Anyway, so this is all my extra decor. I keep extra decor in the cabinet here, somewhat, and stuff. I guess this is extra. I was thinking I could use these for bookends. So I have this and this, and I didn't show you taking everything down here. So all that stuff needs to go in a bin. That's all Christmas stuff. I think I'm getting rid of this. That is going to be donated. So, yeah, I need to figure out what I want to put on the tray. So, the only thing left really is the Christmas tree. I need to take that down, clean up the room. It's a little messy, but I'm going to have less bins of stuff. I don't know what the heck is still in the bins in the garage, but I'm only going to need one more bin here. Okay, so I didn't do the front porch yet either. So that's another bin. And then all the tree ornaments are going in the, I'm like watching some Fixer Upper, but one of them shows. All the tree ornaments are going in the box with the tree and the tree skirt. Yeah. So I don't know what's in the garage, and I kind of don't want to go in there because it's freezing. Alright. Oh, and of course I have books underneath here because those were on the wall unit up here because I didn't have anywhere else to put them. Yeah. Not sure what I'm going to do with those either. Those have got to come out. Okay, so there's two bins here. That was the nativity set. That's staying in the garage. I don't like putting up in the attic. Don't ask me why. I'm just afraid coming down the stairs in the attic that somebody will drop the bin and break it. And yeah, I will be really upset with that one. So, and then this is all the stuff that was in the breakfast nook. So I just need one more bin for the stuff in the family room. And then of course the tree box. And then I have all this stuff, all this stuff and all this stuff on the chairs should all fit in one box. And then I haven't decided how to decorate that up there. I'll have to figure that out too. Alright, why doesn't it seem very bright in here after Gary installed the lights? Alright, so this is all the stuff that's packed away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Entryway. What is that? Dining room. And 2 in the 2 bins. One was a staircase. One was all the gingerbread stuff. And then the dining room mini tree. And then the gingerbread tree here. So this box is empty, so that needs to come in the family room so I can do that. But then I have all these. Now one bin does need to be, it says porch. I don't think that's, alright, so that's going to be all the porch stuff. So what is in here? So my thing is, whatever I don't use is going. So I guess that stuff's going. This stuff is stuff I need to go through. This is like cards, and I don't really need these. These are for the lights. I don't have lights anymore. I do need to save one bin for lights, like the projector lights. So I do need to go through all that. And this is that shelf that I'm getting rid of from the library. Alright, so this says family room. I guess I'll take that in the family room and see what's in there and go through that. And then this says breakfast nook and kitchen. But I already found one for the breakfast nook. So I'm going to have to relabel that and say family room and kitchen. If I can open this. Okay, these are the boxes that the little houses, the little village houses come in. So, yeah, I hope it will all fit in one bin. We shall see. It might end up being 2 bins. We'll see. And then what is in the bottom thing? Miscellaneous. Go through. Oh, I have to go through that too. I don't know what's in there. I think it's keepsake stuff. I went through. I didn't. Oh, yeah. This is stuff I didn't feel like going through last year. So, not sure I'm going to do it this year either. I don't know. I did get rid of a lot of stuff. So this is the whole bin of stuff that's going. Plus miscellaneous other stuff that, you know, it's not Christmas that's going too. So that's a huge bin of stuff. Yeah. So here's the extra bin that I had. So this is all the stuff I didn't use. I'm going to keep this. I do really like that angel. I had a little collection of angels, but I'm going to let them go. I don't really like them. Yeah, so those can go. And this runner, I think that runner can go. I'm going to put that with my Christmas ornaments. And this I'm going to put with the entryway stuff. And then this was a little votive that I got from Goodwill. I was wondering where that was. It's from Crate and Barrel, actually. I forgot I had it. Obviously, because I didn't have time to put all this stuff. And I'll put that with the tree ornaments, too. I never hung those up, but I want to keep those, so yeah. Alright, somewhat put back together. I'm not going to do the tree today. That's going to be another day. I don't know if I'll add it onto this video or another one. But I didn't really decide what I'm going to do here. I did put a few books here. This is what is going on this tray for now. I think I need something else there because the keys blend right in with the tray. So yeah, I cleaned up. And yes, I still have my fall blanket out here because it's so pretty. And I didn't really get to enjoy it for the fall. So I'm leaving it out. And besides that, it goes with the decor. I mean, I have all those kind of colors. So I'll probably eventually put it out. Put it away because in the spring I have these yellow pillows and stuff, so I'll put it away then. And I did put the tic-tac-toe thing here because kids like to play with it when they come over, but that's it. And alright, here's the 3 bins, and I gotta get done with other stuff. And oh, here's what I got up here. I'm not totally liking it. Actually, that Faith, Family, and Friends little box, I think I'm going to get rid of that. I haven't decided yet. That's good enough for now, I'm sure. I always have to put stuff up here and leave it there for a day or two before I figure out exactly how I want it. And so yeah, I don't remember what was up there. And you see I have dishes to do and laundry to do, and I'm pooped right now. I'm gonna take a break and have some coffee maybe, and maybe crochet, and then hubby and I are going out. So that's enough for today, and I will finish the rest tomorrow. I still have the front porch to do too, but I was thinking I was going to keep it up till the end of January. I'm not sure yet. I'll think about it. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. All right, so that's it for today. Yeah, I'm taking my time. At first I was like, I want to get it all done before like January, whatever, or the first week of January. I'm like, whatever. I'm just going to take my time and get the house all back in order, paperwork back in order, all that stuff by the end of January. That's my goal. Why am I going to try to rush it and keep up with the Joneses, all that kind of stuff? I don't know why I try to do that, but it is inspiring, but I can't get all my ducks in a row before then. And yeah, anyhow, it's nice and sunny. Hubby and I are going to go out for a little bit. Yeah, that's it, guys, and as always, enjoy your day.